Today we're going to show you how to return to factory settings on your Haven Lighting Wi-Fi enabled device. This will work with our 9 Series Smart Transformer, our Stratus Transformer, and our Q&K Wi-Fi Duo and Mini controllers. Let's get started with our 9 Series and Stratus Transformers. Remove the front panel and you'll see this button in the top right. All you have to do is hold this button down. After 4 seconds, the feedback and Wi-Fi lights will go off. Continue to hold the button for 10 seconds. Once the light starts flashing, stop pressing the button within 1 to 2 seconds. Factory reset is now complete. Our Wi-Fi Duos and Minis work similarly. Hold down the pair button. After a few seconds, the feedback light will go off. Hold the button until the lights flash twice, and all of your Wi-Fi settings will be reset. Continue to hold the button if you also wish to unpair your wireless wall switches. The light will flash again, indicating this has taken place. If you have any more questions, give us a call or visit us at havenlighting.com. Thanks for watching.